today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Jira and Notion effectively. If you've been looking for a way to streamline your project management workflow by integrating these two powerful tools, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and explore each step to make this process as seamless as possible. First, it's essential to ensure that you have access to both Jira and Notion. Make sure you're logged into both accounts on the respective platforms. This will allow you to switch between the two with ease as we go through the steps. So, let's head over to Jira and begin there. In Jira, you'll want to create an API token, which will allow Notion to access data from Jira securely. To do this, go to the account settings in Jira, typically found at the top right corner of the interface. Once you're in Settings, navigate to the Security section. Here, you should find the option to create a new API token. After naming your token, click on the Create button, and make sure you copy this token to a secure place for later use. It's a vital part of our setup. With your API token in hand, let's switch over to Notion. What we need to do here is set up a space where the Jira data will flow into. Create a new page or use an existing one where you want to sync the data. Now, while in Notion, head to the Integration settings. You'll find this in the Settings menu. Here, you can add a new integration. While setting up this integration, Notion will ask for the API token we created earlier in Jira. Enter the token in the designated field. This is where the two platforms begin communicating. Ensuring that each application's data is shared correctly is crucial. Once Notion recognizes your Jira data, you'll notice you have the option to choose which data you wish to sync. Think about what's important for your team. Is it issue updates, task progress, or something else? Select the data categories you want to be pulled into Notion. This selection will help you keep Notion streamlined and focused on what matters most. Remember, syncing doesn't happen instantly for massive data sets. It might take a little while. Once everything has been set up and is operational, regularly check both Notion and Jira to confirm the sync is functioning smoothly. Any discrepancies can often be fixed by re-entering the API token or checking internet connectivity. And there you have it, a streamlined, efficient way to sync your Jira and Notion accounts. This integration can greatly enhance your productivity by allowing all team members to access necessary information in one place without the hassle of switching between tabs continuously. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope this integration boosts your workflow efficiency. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.